Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Rajivpujala. In this video, let's see how we can sort the data. What exactly sorting means over here. For example, if you look at the names, if in case we have two columns, if you would like to sort the data, select the data, go to click on sort range, advanced range sorting options, data has header. If you want to sort by the names, if you click on this one, then it is sorted by the names. Or if you want to sort it by age, you can do this one and it will sort by age. Let's achieve the same by using the app script. So let's click on extensions, go to app script, and sort the data. Again, we have to access the spreadsheet first, and we have to access the sheet one. So function sort data variable spreadsheet is equal to spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. Mhm. And let's variable sheet is equal, let access the sheet as well. We have data in the sheet one, spreadsheet dot get sheet by name sheet one. Okay, and now if sheet presents, okay, now let's get the range. So how the range works, so let's see. Variable range is equal to data range is equal to, so sheet dot get range. And how, what is the range here? So let's talk about this one. So our data starts from second row, and from, because I want to exclude the headers, so second row and the first column. So second row and the first column, and until how it goes. So I want to go until here. Okay, so for that, let's assume that how many rows are there? We have four rows. Okay, and how many, until when, how many columns? Two columns, so two. So how we can achieve this dynamically? So for example, now let's comment this one. Let's see what returns. Variable last row is equal to sheet dot get last row, right? And let's run this one. Okay, let's logger dot log last row, and this returns the value as 4. Okay, but in the data range, okay, so it has written 4 rows over here, but our index, it starts from 2, so it has to be 4 minus 1, which should be 3. So if you go here, it should be like 1, 2, 3. It, our last rows, though it is like 4, so but we have only 3 rows here, excluding the header. So that's the reason it has to be like 4 minus 1 here. Understand? Or else, if in case, if you want to have, if you're happy to have the all the rows, you can keep one over here. So this one, how it looks like, I wanted the data from first row and first column, first row and first column to fourth row and second column. That's what here mentioned. First row and first column to fourth row and second column. And now but if you want to exclude the header, then it should be 2. And how many rows it has to go through? It's 4 minus 1, which is like 3. So for the same one, what I'm going to do, this one, you can see here, variable data range, again I'm writing, is equal to sheet dot get range. I want to start from second row first column to sheet dot get last row. This returns 4, because we have 4 rows, and but I'm excluding the header. I wanted it to loop for 3, so here we have to give minus 1. Okay, and how many columns we have the data? 2 columns, so 2. This looks like little tricky, but I mean, once you start practicing, it is like very easy to remember. So let's sort the data. Variable sort specs. I mean, what is the specifications that we wanna do is equal to. So I'm taking the dictionary here. So column one, down the first column. Okay, and I want to ascending. We have ascending or descending. So let it be ascending, ascending true. So basically, I wanted to sort the data here, sort the data by true, which means that after sorting, it will be like Mahesh, Raju, and Sai, right? And the second column, I don't want any action. Column two, s okay, ascending is equal to ascending false, right? These are the sort specifications. We just created a column, but we haven't applied it yet. Now what we have to do, we have to apply it. So range, so we have the data in the data range. We have data in the data range. So data range dot sort specifications. Now let's run this one. Okay, click on run. Let's see, the data will sort here. Yep, the data is sorted. Or if in case if you want to sort by column 2, let's go to here, and ascending for the column 1, let it be false, and the second one is a true. Okay, and let's run it. Now you can see that it will sort the data. Ideally it should sort. Column 2 ascending. Yep. Why it is not sorting? So what I did to sort the second column, so I commented the first one, which is not necessary here. I commented this column 2, the ascending is equal to true here. So for example, let's assume this is like 34. Okay, so now let's run this one. Let's see how this goes. 32, 33, 34. Great. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my content and my videos, please do subscribe. Thank you and have a good learning.